We have started a management of solid waste cell in which we have our councillors and we have it's a team of our engineers, our sanitation inspectors, our councillors and a few well-meaning members of the society who are all this time working very silently on creating awareness of the garbage, etc. The plan today is actually we have from 1st to 10 wards, 1 to 10 wards, we have decided to take up segregation. The reason being, we just felt that it would be easier because they do not have that much of trade activity in these wards, so it would be easier for us to handle because they are more residential areas. And they are from Fatorda, so we would slowly concentrate even on the Margam wards later on. So in this 1 to 10 wards, we have put our entire movement of the vehicles. We have put them into place. We have taken our drivers, our staff, our entire team into confidence, and we have given them. All of them have been very nice and cooperative in understanding this whole thing. My engineer in charge, Mr. Deepak Desai, has worked on it. He has put his team into place. I think as all of you all are aware, and Goan had covered up very well, we have also started baling at the plant at Sonsodo. And what we are doing now in this 1 to 10 wards is we are starting with the segregation.